How to fix Epic Games cannot update game. To fix the game update error, you first of all have to run the launcher as an administrator and clear its corrupted web cache to force the download queue to restart. First things first, you simply have to boot up your PC or computer. Close the Epic Games launcher completely by right-clicking its icon in the bottom right taskbar tray and selecting Exit. Once you do this, you simply have to right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut on your desktop. Then select Run as Administrator. Now you simply have to try resuming the game update. You can also clear the launcher's web cache by simply closing the Epic Games launcher via the system tray and pressing Windows key plus R to launch the Run dialog box. Then type localappdata and hit enter. Once you do this, open the Epic Games launcher folder, open the saved folder and locate and then delete the folder named webcache. Once you do this, restart your PC and relaunch the client. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.